Thank you for coming in numbers for us to come and meet today. I mentioned to the public at large, the group that we saw yesterday and the day before, how lucky they are, because amongst us are the top government officials that are going around having a look at commissioning the projects that we've conducted in the Western Division. And as they accompany me around the Western Division, they are able to sit with you and answer some of the questions, some of your concerns, especially with regards to the basic infrastructure. Water, I know you used to have, we talked at length around this area about water and distances in medical facilities, electricity, the road conditions. I have no doubt that the meeting today, you will raise some of those. But also amongst us this afternoon, the top officials, the general manager from ILTV is here with us, Mr. Tevita, and is right at the back there with a white shirt. If you have any problems with TLTV lease, your problem may be over today, I hope. And of course, the permanent secretary for lands, Mala is here, who with a two-star, an official will be able to sort out some of the lease problems that we've talked about in the last couple of months. I hope not years. So this is, we also have Abdul, the executive chairman of FSC, and his staff from FSC, the SWIT team, as I call them. They will be able to answer some of the questions with regards to the problems you may have in the sugar industry. So this is a wonderful opportunity for us to get together, share, and of course, hopefully, by the time we leave, you will have been satisfied with the answers given to you by the government officials here today. Okay, thank you, sir.
Prime Minister.